Where there is light, there is hope. Here in Meralco, we believe in the innate human capacity to want and work for a better life. It is our corporate social responsibility to provide the opportunities so that a better life for Filipino families may be realized.
I'd like to consider One Meralco Foundation as an integral part of our corporate mission and our corporate responsibility. We regard ourselves as effective enablers in terms of improvement of lives. That's our principal role. And our job as management is to ensure that that mindset, that conviction, that belief, and the practices that go along with those things are part and parcel of our corporate processes.
Boon or bane, who would have thought that the humble water lily could mean so much to so many?
Well, ako'y naniniwala sa water lily because one is that it helps in cleaning the Mangahan floodway. Specifically, it helps in cleaning our environment here in Cainta. So nakita namin na meron palang pera at meron palang piso sa water lily. Ibig sabihin lamang nito, nagkakaroon ng trabaho ang aming mga kababayan. Binibili namin yung water lily sa kanila, 8 piso kada kilo. At the same time, ang Meralco ang laki ng role sapagkat ang Meralco ang siyang unang private sector na tumulong sa amin.
Nanay Lazaro is an amazing woman. Though she never went beyond a high school education, it never dawned on her to be defeated by life.
So ang kuya ko daw, dahil siya yung lalaki, kinakailangan siya yung makatapos ng pag-aaral dahil siya yung magdadala ng pamilya. Ako daw, magiging nanay lang naman eh. Yun ang sabi, yun ang hindi ko matanggap, yung lang. Kaya parang kinwestiyon ko yun.
As a competent community leader, she almost single-handedly made Gawad Kalinga Maryville in Imus, Cavite a reality.
Si Nanay Lazaro, maliliit pa lang yung mga anak namin. Magkakasama na kami niyan. At ang masabi ko kay Nanay Lazaro, isang napakahusay at maayos na leader. Yan si Nanay Lazaro. Wala kang masasabi dyan. Basta tungkol sa trabaho, sa kanyang dedikasyon sa aming community, sa pagmamahal niya dito sa aming maliit na Kristiyanong pamayanan. Nakasuporta. Para bang nakakita ka ng inahin na ina, na yung inakay, hindi ayaw niyang mawalay kahit isa.
And so the village was built, but there was no light.
Alam mo, nung panahon walang kuryente rito, napakahirap. Maputik na yung dadaanan mo, napakadilim, gamit lang namin, gasera, isang kandila. Kapaka-paka lang habang naglalakad ka sa putik.
Ang hirap, dahil dito pag madilim, ang kalaban mo ay napakaraming lamok. Pagkatapos sabi ko, dahil yun na yung nasubukan kong way eh. Magdasal tayo every 6 o'clock. Pagkatapos siningin natin ng magkaliwanag.
Nanay Lazaro and Nanay Urbina knocked on every door and stormed the heavens with prayers.
Malungkot kami dahil wala nga kaming ilaw. Nandito na yung komunidad. Pinangarap naman talaga namin na magkaroon ng ilaw. Pero sa sobrang hirap nga namin ng buhay, parang hindi namin kaya. Kaya kung sino-sino ang nilapitan namin para lamang magkaroon ng kaganapan, na magkaroon ng liwanag dito sa lugar na ito.
Their prayers were heard and answered, and the miracle of light was a joy to behold.
Ay, dako! Yung madilim na kapaligiran namin, nagsigawan ng tao rito. Ayan na ang liwanag na bigay ng taga Meralco. Ganun na lang katuwa namin.
With one goal, one destination, one purpose of providing opportunities so that a better life for Filipino families may be realized. We present One Meralco Foundation, helping make lives better and the nation stronger than ever.